Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sling TV on Roku step by step clearly. To activate Sling TV on your Roku device, start by turning on your Roku. Ensure that your Roku is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button on your Roku remote. Scroll down and select Streaming Channels. In the channel store, use the search feature to find Sling TV. Once you find Sling TV, select it to see the channel details. Click on Add Channel to install Sling TV on your Roku. Wait for the installation to complete, then return to the home screen. Locate the Sling TV channel icon among your installed channels. Open the Sling TV channel by selecting the icon. You will be prompted to log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to log in. After logging in, you will see an activation code on the screen. Take note of this activation code. On your computer or mobile device, open a web browser and visit sling.com/activate. Sign in to your Sling TV account if prompted. Enter the activation code you noted from your Roku screen. Click Submit to complete the activation process. Once successful, return to your Roku. Sling TV will now be activated, and you can start streaming. Enjoy your viewing experience on Sling TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.